you suffer from nail fungus? It can be an uncomfortable and embarrassing condition that affects many people. Nail fungus, or onychomycosis, is caused by an overgrowth of fungi in, under, or on the nail. It can cause the nail to become thick, yellow, and brittle, and can even cause it to separate from the nail bed. Fortunately, there is a simple and natural remedy that can help eliminate nail fungus. Baking soda. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that can create an environment that is hostile to the fungus, preventing it from growing and spreading. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Here's a recipe for a simple and effective baking soda treatment for nail fungus. First, mix 1 cup of apple cider vinegar with enough warm water to soak your feet in. Next, add 1/2 cup of baking soda to the mixture and stir well. Soak your feet in this mixture for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse them with clean water and dry them thoroughly. For best results, you can also make a paste by mixing baking soda and water and applying it directly to the affected nails. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off and drying your feet. You can repeat this treatment once a day until the fungus is gone. However, if your symptoms persist, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. In addition to treating nail fungus, there are some things you can do to prevent it from occurring in the first place. Keep your feet clean and dry. Wear shoes that fit well and are made of breathable materials, and avoid sharing shoes, socks, or nail clippers with others. It's also important to trim your nails regularly and to disinfect your nail clippers or other tools you use to care for your nails. With the help of baking soda and a few simple preventative measures, you can eliminate nail fungus and enjoy healthy, beautiful nails once again.